Hi guys, we have this Wheel 2-in-1 detergent powder. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review and let's get started. So this is 1 kg pack, has MRP of rupees 75, but you get this one at rupees 70, and this is Hindustan Unilever product, and the pack says that this will also work even in hard water. There are no instructions given on the pack for washing machine usage. So I assume this one is only for bucket wash. The detergent fine powder is white in color and there are few blue, green and red color stripes in it. And the fragrance is mild and fresh. So for bucket wash, simply use 1 scoop of detergent powder and dissolve it well. Well, it creates foam, but it takes time to dissolve. And it is best if you soak your clothes 15-20 minutes before washing. So it is still not dissolved. Anyways, I have this white color shirt with dirt stains and this collar stain. Let's see if this can be removed or not. So I have soaked this shirt for 15 minutes and rubbed it thoroughly. And yes, the stains are gone. Shirt is completely white and shining. But now there is no fragrance in this dried cloth. While washing, there was a pleasant fragrance. Coming to the cons, so there are 2 problems which I found here is, one, it takes time to dissolve. It's not so easy to dissolve, like Rin was pretty fast to dissolve. And the second point is, it cannot be used in washing machine. Still, this can be a good choice to wash the bucket, towel, daily wears, but not for your expensive and delicate clothes. And this is affordable. You get it for rupees 70. It can easily remove dirt, dust and sweat stains, but not the oil, ketchup, haldi, heavy loads. You need a better detergent powder. So overall, if you are looking for an affordable detergent powder for bucket wash, give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.